How to add Yahoo Mail to Outlook. With these quick and simple steps, let's get started. Open your Yahoo Mail application. Tap onto your profile icon from the top left corner. Select Manage Account from Accounts. Tap on Add Account. Enter your email address and tap on Next. And after this process, you get the option to choose Outlook. Just tap on Select it. Then you will be redirected to the Outlook login page. Enter your Outlook email address and tap Next. Then you will be signed in. Grant permission if prompted. Once signed in, your Outlook account will be linked to your Yahoo Mail application. You can now switch between Yahoo Mail and Outlook within the app. And that's it. You have successfully added your Outlook account to your Yahoo Mail application. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tutorials. Drop a comment if you have question or suggestion for future videos. And don't forget to check out our playlist. See you in the next one.